Some TPT stores slowly become maintenance machines. There's always something to update, something to revise, something to fix, or something falling behind. And over time, that operational weight starts draining your store. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've spent nearly 2 decades building a TPT store, and one thing I know is this: some growth creates leverage. Other growth creates maintenance, and that distinction matters long term. Every product creates operational responsibility, not just during creation, long after creation, because products eventually require updates, revision, customer support, reorganization, re-optimization, and maintenance. That is normal. But problems start appearing when operational complexity grows faster than your operational structure. That's when stores begin feeling heavy, reactive, and difficult to sustain. Some stores quietly reach a point where maintaining the store starts consuming more energy than strategically growing it. That becomes a serious constraint. I experienced this shift inside my own store. As my store expanded, I started realizing certain parts of the store were creating far more operational drag than strategic value. That forced me to start thinking much more carefully about structure, maintenance load, and operational simplicity. Because eventually, maintenance itself can quietly become the constraint. Strong TPT stores usually do not scale through endless complexity. They scale through stronger structure, clearer systems, and intentional simplicity. Sometimes the store feels exhausting, not because growth is bad, but because maintenance quietly took control of the business. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so you can make clear growth decisions. Now, before you go, comment below and tell me how many products are currently in your store, and does your store feel easier to manage or harder to manage than it did a year ago? And in the next video, I'm going to explain why decision fatigue quietly slows your TPT growth far more than many sellers realize. I will see you in the next video.